Just keep your hands right there. You're okay. Out of the car. I'm not telling you again. Put your hands behind your back. I'm trying to get tased. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind. I'm out of the car.
Florida, United States, the 5th of December 2023. Officers initiated a traffic stop for speeding. A routine contact escalated into a resisted warrant arrest.
We're slowing down now.
Hey, man.
We're going to be stopped at 10982 West 100. Hello. What took you so long to pull over? I was behind you for at least a mile with lights and sirens. Well, I'm Deputy User Flat County Sheriff's Office. The reason I was stopping was for your speed. That was it. From 70 to 60. Not really a big deal. Any reason why you wouldn't stop? Okay. Got it. You have your driver's license with you? Where are you guys coming heading to? What was that? Okay. I got you. You guys live over there? Got it. You have your ID with you, sir? You guys have any marijuana in the vehicle at all? I smell it a little bit. And we smoke it in the car at all? Got it. Any weapons in the car or anything like that?
I don't know. My name is Marshall.
Okay. All right, get your information and write it down real quick, okay? I appreciate it. Is this your vehicle? I'll get the registration or anything, or proof of insurance? Or a picture of it, or on the phone, or anything like that? Just sorry, I just got to see proof of it that you have, okay?
She got a picture of her phone.
Okay. Okay, I got you. Okay. These guys sitting tight here for right now, okay? I appreciate it. You can go ahead with it.
I'm showing a in-state pickup, Florida 49. It says juvenile order of arrest, subject emancipated on 10/10/22, violation of home detention, disturbing peace, breach of the peace, no bond, pickup statewide, Florida only. Got me send for head confirmation.
10-4, she's not secure yet. How far is my other unit? I have 31 in the vehicle too, with another passenger. Can you go ahead and hop out for me, okay? Yeah, I'll explain everything in a second. You open the door. Take off your seatbelt. So just keep your hands right there where you are, okay? I appreciate it. You have a warrant for your arrest. I need you to step out of the car. 311, give me the channel. I'm out of the car. I'm out of the car. I'm out of the car.
Stop! 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 Bro, what are you doing?
311, every female's acting resistant.
Tripping, bro.
I'm out of the car.
Hey, stop.
I'm out of the car.
Another charge.
I'm out of the car. Put your hands behind your back. I'm not telling you again. Put your hands behind your back. Get on the ground.
Get off me! Get off me! Get off me!
You're gonna get tased.
Get off
Put your
me!
hands behind your
Get
back.
off me!
Put your hands
Get
behind
off
your
me!
back. Put them behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hop out of the car.
No!
Put your hands on the hood. Put your f***ing hands behind your back.
Bitch, I'm not talking to you.
You're not. Stop resisting.
Stop. What are you doing? Stop, bro. Get a whole nother charge. Like for nothing.
Keep your hands there.
I want to call my mama.
What is your mama number? I'm trying to call her.
Keep your hands there.
I know her number.
for reloading female, secure, you can clear the channel. Keep your hands there.
I got my hands here.
Stay there. Hello. My glasses got launched. Can you just stay with her real quick?
I'm not doing it here.
Yeah, okay. You caught battery on LEO.
Oh, what did I do?
I'm securing you. There's odor of marijuana in the vehicle. You're not under arrest. You're just being secured for the duration of the stop, okay?
So I ain't gonna better stuff on me?
You can. You're just going to go in cuffs for everyone's safety, okay? There's two of you.
Put my truck to the front there. I ain't doing
Yeah.
nothing.
There's two of you, two of us, okay? Come over here.
I ain't got one.
Yeah, you're good. Can you sit on the floor over here? I appreciate it.
You're getting pat down on him and everything.
Yeah, let me just find my glasses. I can't see shit. Thanks.
Give me somebody's number to call.
Oh, can you stand up for a second? Good. Can I patch you off weapons, okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright, you're good. Sit back down, okay? Stand up. Stand up. Yeah. Battery on LEO. No, just them two.
I'm trying to call my mama.
You lost that
I'm
chance.
trying to call my mama.
Let's go.
I don't know no number.
He told me I could stand for him. I ain't do nothing. I didn't do anything. He just detained me because there was 2 officers and 2 of us. I didn't do nothing.
You made that a lot harder than it had to be.
I want to talk to my mama.
Well, you sure enough fought me.
Who is she to you?
Girlfriend?
How old is she? 18? How old are you?
Oh, wait, no, she's 19. She's 19. I'm 2.
How old are you? How far out is your, anybody that can pick you up?
My mom is about an hour away.
Okay.
I'll wait. I'm free. Free and alive. That's all that matters. I would wait. I would start walking.
All you had was a warrant. That would have been quick and easy. You would have bonded out.
I wanted to
You said it. You forced my hand. You put me in a dangerous position on the side of the road with cars flying by me.
You opened my car door.
I'm more than legally allowed to. You have a warrant for your arrest. I asked you to get out nicely. You said no.
But I said, let me tell my
I
mama.
said no. I said we'll handle that. Good. And then you decided to clench the steering wheel and not take off the seatbelt. I don't understand it.
I just want my baby.
I don't understand why you got so aggressive for no reason.
Because I don't like stuff like this.
All it was a simple traffic stop. That's it.
I don't have my license and my registration. That's all.
That's not a big deal. I don't care about the registration. All you have to do is have proof that you have it and insurance.
I would have had proof. I would have had somebody send it to his car.
All right. Well, I have a female deputy coming to search you, and then I'm towing your car and we're leaving.
You towing my car?
Yes, I'm towing your car.
How?
You
He
resisted
can
with
he can
violence,
drive-
and then you hit me.
He can drive my car. I
He's
didn't
not-
hit you.
You elbowed me several times.
I didn't elbow you.
My camera recorded the entire time, and that front camera recorded the entire incident. So I don't know what you want me to do.
So how he getting home?
He's gonna arrange a ride. Your car's being towed regardless. I'm telling you.
I need to call my mama so they
Okay.
can come get me.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay, you're an adult. You know what? Your mom's not coming to get your car.
So nobody can't come get my car.
No, I'm making the decision. I'm towing your car. You attacked me. You basically resisted. Your car's getting towed. It's that simple.
So what jail I'm going to?
Flower County Inmate Facility. For your warrant, and then you're also being charged with resisting with violence and battery on LEO.
And how long I got to sit for that?
Yeah, he's fine. Yeah, he's good to go whenever, man.
And what is that? I never got no charges.
Battery on law enforcement officer. It's a 3rd-degree felony.
Okay.
Resisting with violence is a misdemeanor. And then that marijuana, it's not his. It wasn't behind his seat. It was
It's
behind.
not mine.
It's behind your seat
It's not mine, sir. I'll tell you.
in your vehicle.
I'm not the only one that drive my car.
Well, you're getting charged with it.
I don't have no numbers. I don't know no numbers.
It's been taken like 10
What
minutes.
is that?
Test kit.
What's
The marijuana that was in your bag. This deputy over here is going to search you, okay? Right up out of the car.
what else I'm gonna do when I got control?
Because I got gloves and I'm already touching it and then take it off for you. We're not going to sit here and argue.
I'm not gonna argue with you, man.
What are you doing?
I'm not finna argue. I just snatched it off my head for you.
Okay, we're moving on.
Yep, moving on.
That's all I'm saying.
Anything else to search? Okay, listen. We're gonna move these cuffs again.
See your cuck, my cuck.
You moved them.
Wait,
It's
what you
somewhere in
mean
the
move them?
Well, people get
You need
crafty
an
and you're
extra?
little.
Oh, cause I had
I'm gonna
went
take
under
one of
my
your-
leg.
I'm gonna
because
take one of
they
your
was
cuffs
hurting
off.
my,
Do not.
I'm not
Don't-
finna do nothing.
Well, that's what you
Hey.
said before, and
Okay.
now we're in this predicament.
Why y'all all holding me like this?
Do not move these back to the front again.
I had my nail broke. That's why I moved them.
I don't
they
care.
Was,
That does not matter.
I
There's
didn't know
bigger
you
problems
said-
than a broken nail.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a seat.
I don't need the seatbelt.
Well, you're getting the seatbelt. You don't cooperate, it's.
You know, don't give a f about y'all. How would I get home if the judge was to release me?
They're not going to release you.
On the warrant?
So they don't even want to take you for the warrant. You're being charged with possession of marijuana, battery on law enforcement officer, and resisting violence.
No, I'm saying you're not understanding what I'm saying.
I'm sorry.
So I'm going to jail just because them 3 charges.
For possession of marijuana, for battery on law enforcement, and for resisting violence.
3 charges.
Yes.
And them all felons.
No. Only one is.
Which one a felon?
The battery.
I never hit you though.
You elbowed me in the stomach, and I have marks on my
Show me the video again, cause I swear I never hit you like.
Elbowed me in the stomach and all my chest, and I have marks on my arm.
Cause we hit the ground.
Because I had to use my.
But I never hit you,
You
sir.
put me in a very dangerous position.
I never hit you though. I never hit you. I just kept trying to pull my arm away from you. I never hit you.
Ren v. United States 1996. Any observed traffic violation provides probable cause for a stop regardless of the officer's subjective intent or motivation. Florida Statute 901.15. Authority to arrest on warrant law enforcement holds unambiguous authority to arrest any person named in a valid outstanding warrant. Compliance is not discretionary. Maryland v. Wilson, 1997. Officers may order any vehicle occupant to exit during a lawful stop. When an active arrest warrant exists, that authority is absolute. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Use of force standard force must be objectively reasonable at the moment of decision. 3 governing factors: severity of the offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and active resistance. Florida Statute 843.01. Resisting officer with violence. Physical resistance during a lawful arrest is a 3rd-degree felony, maximum sentence, 5 years imprisonment, and a $5,000 fine. Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Brief detention of third parties at an arrest scene is lawful when specific and articulable facts support officer safety concerns. United States v. Ross, 1982. Automobile exception. A trained officer's detection of marijuana odor constitutes probable cause for a full warrantless vehicle search. No warrant is required under the automobile exception. Florida Statute 784.07. Battery on law enforcement. Officer battery against a law enforcement officer is elevated from a misdemeanor to a 3rd-degree felony under Florida law. Critical error. On-camera statement. The officer stated that resisting with violence is a misdemeanor. Florida Statute 843.01 classifies it as a 3rd-degree felony. A factual error communicated to a subject in custody carries legal consequence. Florida Statute 893.136b. Constructive possession. Physical contact is not required to establish possession. Location of the substance and access to the vehicle are material to the charge. Lesson: 3 charges resulted directly from non-compliance battery on Leo. Florida Statute 784.07. Felony 3, resisting with violence. Florida Statute 843.01. Felony 3, possession of marijuana. Florida Statute 893.13. Misdemeanor 1. Voluntary compliance on the warrant would have avoided all 3.